10 Best Battery for Ram 3500 Diesel 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram Battery Circuit Fuse, 2013 to 2022. Ensure your Ram's electrical system stays flawlessly protected with our Ram Battery Circuit Fuse, a precision-engineered replacement for 2013 to 2022 models. This fuse is a perfect match for OEM numbers 956356, 68164797AA, and 68250245AA, guaranteeing full compatibility across Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 4000, 4500, and 5500 models. Designed to replicate original performance and safety, it provides superior protection against electrical overloads, safeguarding your battery circuit and extending your vehicle's lifespan. Installation is remarkably straightforward. No special tools or professional knowledge needed. Simply swap it in for a fast, convenient upgrade. Drive with confidence, knowing your Ram's vital electrical system is secured with reliable, efficient protection. Number 9. 1998 to 2002 Ram 2500/3500 5.9 L Cummins Battery Cable Kit. Is your trusty 1998.5 to 2002 Ram 2500/3500 5.9 L Cummins struggling with sluggish starts or dimming lights? It's often the aging battery cables, and we've got the perfect solution. Our battery cable kit is meticulously designed for your Gen 2.5 rig, ensuring a seamless, direct fit replacement. Say goodbye to corrosion and high resistance. You'll immediately notice crisper starts, optimal electrical flow, and restored power delivery to all your accessories. This isn't just a replacement. It's an essential upgrade that breathes new life into your hard-working Cummins. Don't let old cables hold you back. Get reliable performance back on track with a kit built specifically for your specific generation. Number 8. 94R AGM Start-Stop Car Battery. Tired of compromise with your modern vehicle? The 94R AGM Start-Stop Car Battery is engineered for today's demanding drives. This 12V80 AGM powerhouse perfectly supports start-stop functions, helping you save up to 10% on gas and cut CO2 emissions by 20%. Say goodbye to long waits. Our advanced design boasts 40% faster charging than traditional SLA batteries, ensuring quick recovery and peak performance. Crafted with a patented, corrosion-resistant alloy, it offers superior leak-proof safety and requires zero maintenance. No acid or water ever needed. With precise dimensions, 12.4 inches by 6.89 inches by 7.48 inches, and A1 terminals, it's the ideal, worry-free replacement for BCI 94R models. Experience reliable power and eco-conscious driving. Number 7. Dodge Ram 94 to 98 Cummins Hard Start Battery Kit. Is your 94 to 98 Dodge Ram Cummins struggling with hard starts, especially in tough weather? It's time to upgrade with the Dodge Ram Cummins Hard Start Battery Kit from Custom Battery Cables. Ditch those corroded factory wires for our American-made, 100% copper cables, engineered to meet or exceed SAE specifications. No inferior CCA here. We include an upgraded 3-aught battery to starter cable, ensuring effortless cranking when you need it most, alongside heavy 2-aught battery to battery and engine grounds for superior conductivity. This comprehensive kit features military terminals and anti-corrosion washers, delivering reliability built by our family-owned business since 2004. Restore your truck's dependable starting power with genuine quality. Number 6. 2007 to 2009 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Custom Battery Cables. Tired of weak starts and corroded cables on your 2007 to 2009 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins? Our custom battery cables are your ultimate solution. Proudly made in America by a family-owned business, this original kit replaces failing wiring with robust, 100% copper wire, meticulously engineered to meet or exceed SAE specifications. Forget flimsy, inferior copper-clad aluminum, CCA, or stereo shop OFC. Our heavy 2-aught SGX wires ensure easier cranking, superior conductivity, and improved grounding where it counts. Complete with military-grade terminals, anti-corrosion washers, and all necessary hardware, you get unmatched durability and a significantly stronger electrical system. With our patent-pending design and 20 years of expertise, these cables are built to last and maintain emissions compliance. Upgrade your Ram confidently today. Number 5. Dodge Ram 6.7L Turbo Speed Sensor Kit. Unlock your Dodge Ram 6.7L's true potential with our Turbo Speed Sensor Kit. This isn't just a replacement. It's an upgrade for your 2007 to 2012 Ram 2500 to 5500 and Cummins ISB/ISC/ISX diesels. Engineered to precisely monitor turbo output, it intelligently optimizes boost, delivering significantly improved power and fuel efficiency, letting you truly feel the difference. Built for the long haul, its high-temperature resistant design thrives under extreme conditions and heavy loads, ensuring stable performance. Plus, robust anti-corrosion protection shields it from harsh engine chemicals, extending its lifespan. A direct replacement for 680-39104AA or 904 to 341, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. Restore your Ram's peak performance and drive with confidence. Number 4. 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram 6.7L Block Heater Cord. Is your 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram 6.7L hesitant on cold mornings? Our 68223419AA engine block heater cord is the precise solution you need. Engineered specifically for your Ram 2500 to 5500, this OE spec replacement ensures a perfect, no modifications required fit, making installation incredibly simple. Say goodbye to difficult cold starts, unnecessary engine wear, and poor fuel efficiency. By preheating your engine, you'll enjoy easier starts, optimal performance, and improved fuel economy, all while extending your engine's lifespan and protecting your battery. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this cord guarantees lasting stability. Plus, with 1-year product service and 24/7 support, you're always covered. Drive confidently, no matter the temperature. Number 3. Dodge Ram Battery Circuit Fuse. Is your Dodge Ram's electrical system asking for a guardian against potential damage? Our battery circuit fuse is precisely engineered to be just that vital protector. Designed for a seamless fit across various 2013 to 2022 Ram models, including the 1500, 2500, 3500, 4000, 4500, 5500, and Classic. This essential OEM spec replacement, 682502445AA, 681647797AA, ensures optimal circuit protection and reliable power distribution throughout your vehicle, safeguarding its performance. Built from high-durability, corrosion-resistant materials, it stands up to the toughest conditions, significantly extending your vehicle's lifespan. Plus, with included automotive-grade nuts, installation is a breeze, no complex tools or professional help needed. Trust in this superior quality part to keep your Ram running strong, safely, and efficiently. Number 2. Dodge Ram 1994 to 2002 Diesel Right Side Battery Tray. If you own a legendary 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 or 3500 diesel, you know the importance of reliable components. Our right side battery tray is engineered for a flawless fit, directly replacing part 55275126AE, so you can ditch the guesswork. Crafted from high-quality PP plastic, this isn't just any tray. It's built for serious durability, shrugging off harsh conditions and vibrations that plague lesser alternatives. It securely cradles your battery, preventing costly movement and damage, ensuring consistent power delivery for miles to come. Designed for straightforward installation, it's the robust, long-lasting solution your Ram deserves to keep things running smoothly. Number 1. Ram Cummins Extreme Hard Start Kit. Is your Ram Cummins battling stubborn starts, especially when conditions get tough? Banish corroded cables and experience reliable power with the Ram Cummins Extreme Hard Start Kit. Proudly made in America by Custom Battery Cables, a family-owned expert since 2004. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. We use only 100% SAE spec copper wire, never inferior CCA, ensuring maximum conductivity and heat resistance. You get an upgraded 3/0 SGX battery to starter wire for easier extreme cranking, plus heavy 2/0 battery-to-battery and engine grounds. Complete with military terminals, anti-corrosion washers, and our patent-pending design, this kit guarantees a robust, long-lasting solution. Stop struggling, start strong, with confidence backed by 20 years of satisfaction. So, that sums up my 10 best battery for Ram 3500 diesel. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.